This will be the beginning of a new segment that I'm creating. And instead of lick of the day, we will be doing the riff of the day. And for today's segment, we're going to be looking at one of the most requested riffs to ever be asked in the history of the guitar. Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne and late great Randy Rhoads. I have a Randy Rhoads guitar, so as an homage to Randy, here we go. For this little riff, we're going to start by playing an F sharp chord, F sharp a fifth, so it's going to be the power chord, which would be the 2nd fret. We're going to bar the 2nd fret of the guitar. We're going to bar the whole thing, and we're going to put our ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string, and we're going to put our pinky right under it on the D string. And we're going to hit the first three strings twice. Then we're going to hit an A minor chord or an A fifth, however you want to call it. I just use my middle finger and I bar this little, the 2nd fret, and I hit the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. And you just take this finger right here, this position, and you move it up so to where you are actually barring the A string, the D string, and the G string. And you just hit that. So far we've got. Then what we're gonna do here is we're gonna bar the we're gonna do a power chord on D, and it's basically the same thing as the one that I showed you earlier, the one on F sharp, except we're just gonna slide our finger down to the 5th fret position, and we're gonna take the fingers that we have here, and we're gonna move them down just once, down strings. So instead of the ring finger being on the A string, it's gonna be on the D string, and the pinky is gonna be on the G string. We're gonna hit that, and we're gonna hit E again. So far we've got. Do that again. And with the actual little da-da-da-da starts. So we're gonna hit F sharp or the 2nd fret of the E string. We're gonna hit that twice, and with our ring finger we're gonna hit the 4th fret of the A string. Gonna go back to the 2nd fret of the E. So far we've got it. And then we're gonna use our pinky to hit the 5th fret of the A string. So far we've got it. And we're gonna go back to hitting the ring finger, the 4th fret. So far we've got it. And you can practice that for a little bit so that you can get used to the idea of doing this little lick. Okay, from there we're gonna go. We're gonna start off with our first finger on the 2nd fret of the A string now. We're gonna use our pinky to hit the 5th fret of the E string, and our ring finger to hit the 4th fret. We're gonna go back to the 5th fret, back to the 2nd fret of the A string, and this little thing repeats. From there, we're gonna hit open. Oh my God. All together. that like to get challenged, what you can do to show off to your friends whenever you're playing this cool little riff is you can flip your hand over the fretboard and play it like this. So you can make this little statement. And for an added bonus, I've heard versions where Zakk Wylde actually does an artificial harmonic when we do the second half of the riff. I know some people don't like Zakk Wylde much, but I actually personally happen to like his version a little bit. You know, it's cool. It sounds good. Not as good as Randy, and not as good as Gus G, but definitely pretty cool. So anyway, that has been the riff of the day, and as always, questions, comments, let me know, and if not, have a great rest of the day. Peace out.